Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're here for the first time, hi, my name is Busabi Moliayo and I'm a Nigerian-based nurse. So on this channel, I film content related to nursing, healthcare, and my lifestyle generally as a nurse. So if you're interested in content like that, join the family by clicking on the subscribe button and also on the bell icon so you don't miss out whenever I drop another amazing video. That being said, let's get right to the topic for today. In today's video, I'm basically going to be introducing you guys to the resource that I created for registered nurses and student nurses likewise. The resource is actually a website that I built as a birthday gift in 2023, and the goal of the website is to create an avenue for registered nurses as well as student nurses to get access to places that they can practice questions for their exams, after class, or just like refresh their memory about certain conditions. So I actually launched the website June 24, 2023, which was actually my birthday. And today is October 28, 2023, and I'm really happy that we've gotten about 1,500 users, more than 1,500 users actually on a lot of our tests. So I felt I need to make a YouTube video about this so that people will be aware that this resource is available and working. So the website address is actually www.nursingwithlife.com. That's just like the name of the brand. So when you land on the homepage, I'm going to put it up on the screen. When you land on the homepage, you'll see options. If you're using it on the laptop, you see it at the top of your screen, but if you're using it on the phone, you're going to have to click on the three lines at the left top corner of your screen to bring out the options. So you have the home option, you have the quiz option, you have the lecture materials option, you also have the blog option. So just basically telling you guys what each part of the website is going to be doing. Home is just like basically showing information about the brand, history of nursing, and if anyone wants to become a nurse in Nigeria, the steps to becoming a registered nurse. Then we now have like the lecture material section, which currently is contains lecture materials or ebooks that I have created, and one that was created by a friend of mine, Yakubu Fad, that is targeted at helping nursing students to practice for exams, get some things done. In the future, this section is going to contain a lot more material that you can download if you're a nursing student or if you're a nurse, important things that you can download. Those are the things that this section of the website will actually contain in the future. Then to the quiz section, which is like my favorite part of the website, and the part that actually really made me build the website, is where nursing students can click and take tests. So currently we have over 1,000 questions there on the quiz section, ranging from anatomy and physiology, community health, biostatistics. We have questions on research, we have questions on med-search, and the med-search section is also divided into systems. So when you get to places like a reproductive system, you're going to see things like syphilis, that you're going to see cardiovascular system, hypertension, heart failure, things like that. And today I'm working with my team to get to get more questions there, so that when it comes to exam or after test, like after class, you can easily go there, practice, and remember what you've been taught. So the questions are actually designed in a way that once you answer them and you submit, you get your score. Then you also get to see the correct answers and the incorrect answers, and the explanation as to why the answers are correct, and as well as the references of the textbooks and the sites where these answers were gotten from. I hope you get. So there's even like a council mock session. Currently we have a mock exam for the nursing exam. There's a mock exam for the midwifery exam. We hope that in future we'll have mock exam for more exams, like post-basic courses. Then we'll also have like more topics coming into the quiz section of the website. So I'm really excited about this part of the website. Then finally we have the blog section. The aim of the blog section is to majorly put out stories and important information about nursing, especially in Nigeria. So I'm hoping I'll be able to tell stories of notable nurses in Nigeria, home and abroad, like at home and in diaspora, talk about their achievements, so that when people want to browse or when people want to search for information about nursing in Nigeria, it won't be the terrible things that are on the blogs anymore. It won't be the terrible things and the misinformation that has been on the website on the internet rather for a very long time. Let us be the one to tell our story. So probably someone that probably graduated with a first class, did something very notable, somebody that helped a patient in transit, that took deliveries in transit, like notable and interesting things that were done by Nigerian nurses. Just send me a mail, send me pictures and evidences of this, and I'll put it on my blog. So that when people search for Nigerian nurses, they're not going to be seeing mean faces, they're not going to be seeing those Nollywood characters that did not represent us well. They're going to be seeing our own real life stories. So that's all about the website. I'll leave the link to the website down in the description box below. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more videos. Bye.